Hi Snapshot Tech Tips. I want to remove all the commands from the Run Dialog bar so my brother won't know what was stored there. Please help.
Sure, I can show you. Open the Run Dialog bar, type Regedit and click OK. It is a good idea to log in as an administrator to edit your registry. In the Registry Editor, navigate to Key Current User, Software, click on Microsoft folder. Then select Windows folder. Next you look for the CurrentVersion folder. Then you go to the Explorer folder. Finally select the RunMRU folder. Delete all files in the right-hand pane except for the default and make sure leave it alone. Let's exit the Registry Editor. Now you see the Run Dialog bar is empty. If you find this tutorial video helpful, and then go ahead to subscribe and share this to your friends and colleagues.